Welcome to PLR Mondays. Today we're going to be talking about 5 best PLR sites online today. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now today we're going to be having a look at 5 different PLR sites. Now, these PLR sites, each one of them has something unique to be able to offer you today. And uniqueness of each one of these is what puts it on the list. Okay, so let's have a look at Quality PLR. Now you might think, this is a kind of a cheap looking site, but this one actually has a couple of really cool things about it. And I'll explain to you as we go through what those things are. Now, Quality PLR has been around for quite a long time. And the thing I like about this the most is, in fact, it's got several different things. For example, if you have a look over here, apart from the fact that every one of these sites have free aspects to them, they also have paid aspects to them. And you'll find that the paid aspects are worth it. Now, having a look over here, the thing that makes this one completely unique is the quantity of unrestricted private labor right products they have. They actually have unrestricted private labor right products, which allows you to be able to download things, you purchase them, and you have complete control over what you do with them. You can even offer private labor rights if you want to these particular products. And as you can see, they've got a decent quantity of them here. And as you go through, you can choose which one you want to go for. And there's pages upon pages upon pages. Now, with this particular one, you basically just purchase them as you go. But the best part about that is they're not expensive. Unrestricted private labor rights means there is no restrictions on what you can do. Zero. And because they're unrestricted, it gives you the rights to be able to put any rights you want on it. You can change it to make it a completely brand new product and make it unique to you. One that you can sell to other private labor right stores if you want to. And you can use AI to change it up and make it completely unique and sell it somewhere else. And say, claim it's yours, which is great because you've got the ability to do that. Now, I will say that unrestricted private labor rights are oftentimes a little out of date. But if you've got things like bed and breakfasts, making chocolate, all that's Italian food, all that kind of stuff will remain very much relevant right through to today. It won't really be out of date in any way, shape or form, eating organic, that sort of thing. Now, the ones that do kind of have the ability to run out of time, things like Microsoft Ads, Training Kit, Done For You promo emails, that could be a little bit out of date too, depending on the information inside of it. And all of this stuff could end up being a little bit out of date. Well, maybe not all of it, but some of it could be out of date. Particularly the internet marketing stuff, because the internet marketing realm is changing constantly. Now, the next thing I like about this one is the fact that it has a blog. Now, the blog is amazing. You go through and you can have a look at all the stuff like, for example, private label traffic blueprint for bloggers and marketers, crafting a memorable brand identity for PLR success. Let's have a quick look at that. And you can go through and you can see the various things that they've got there and you can read through and you can learn. It's almost like a free academy. And that's the beautiful part about this. When you have a look at Quality PLR, you can actually go through and purchase it as you go. As I said, they do have a free aspect as well. You also have PLR printables, which is great, which is something you can use for, say, for example, shirts, or you can put it down on mugs, or you can even put it down on low content as well. Let's have a quick look at some of the free printables. And you got some stuff to do with low content as well, so you can have a look at that. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is PLR Database. PLR Database has a huge range with over 27,248 licensed done-for-you products. And they're constantly updating and putting new things in every week. Now, they have a massive marketplace, and they're also, but these guys do have a pricing structure these guys do, where you can actually purchase into it. Obviously, you've got the free aspect, unlimited free downloads, full license class and lessons, and forum and profiles. Now, you got $10 per month, which includes unlimited downloads, full license, class and lessons, and so forth. Premium Plus Plus, $49 for 1 year. And then $25 every 3 months. The $49 a year is perhaps the best one. And I'm on Premium Plus Plus because I find that this one's really awesome. Unlimited downloads, full licenses, class and lessons, and blah, blah, blah. Now you might be asking, what's the class and lessons? Well, these guys have an academy. This is what makes these guys unique. Now, as you can see, the academy is in fact free to use, and you can learn anything you want from this academy about private labor rights, and everything here is about private labor rights and so forth. And you got pages upon pages upon pages. Now they do come up with quite a few ads, even as a paid member. Pages upon pages upon pages of different things you can learn in their academy. And that's the beautiful thing about this, and it's all to do with private labor rights and the various things that they do. And that is one of the things I love about PLR Database. PLR Database is one of my favorites, along with Quality PLR. In fact, they're all my favorites. I don't really have a specific favorite amongst them because all of them have something completely unique that you can use. All right, let's go and have a look at the next one. Now, the next one is called PLR Mines. Now, PLR Mines has been around for quite a long time again as well. And this one does also have some completely unique stuff as well. Now, you can log in. As you can see, I'm logged in. And you can go over here and have a look at if you want to go for PLR ebooks or videos, software. They have it easily listed here on the left-hand side, but that's not the unique aspect of this. The unique aspect of this is, in fact, you can buy your own personal website from here. Now, as you can see here, it says ready-made ebook store. So you can actually get your own ready-made ebook store by clicking here. And the best part about these guys is once you're a paid member, and I'll be showing you the prices in a few minutes. Once you're a paid member here, you can in fact go down here and you can choose which particular one you'd like to use. You can go for this one here. And this will tell you the different kind of books that you can sell and so forth. And they'll actually put it onto your own hosting company as well. So you have your own hosting company and they can put it in there for you. You also choose a demo number 2. You might decide that that's the one you want to go for. And as I said, they will upload it for you and you can have your own ready-made ebook store. And then this one over here, it's not private labor rights, by the way, but you can turn it into private labor rights if you want to. And this is the one I have, which I find be the best one of the lot. That's me though. You may choose one of the other ones. Now, let's go and have a look at the pricing of how to become a full member of this site. Now over here, if you look over here, you can see this is Gold Lifetime, which would be the one I would highly recommend you do. Get full access and start downloading thousands of high quality digital products, ebooks, video graphics, software, templates, and more. Instant access to all blogs, plus more added month by note. These ready-made blogs are exclusive. Now you can go down here. For $97, you can get lifetime access to this. And I'll leave a link for all of these in the description down below. So you can choose to go that way. And that is PLR Mines. Now, as I said, the unique aspect of PLR Mines is the fact that it does have ready-made websites that you can purchase for yourself. And they'll actually put it onto your own hosting company. Now, once you're a full member, they give you access to one of these, but you can also go to another site and get some more. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Big Product Store. Now, Big Product Store is very literally what it says, big. It's got a huge range of different products. The best part about this one, the thing that I think the unique thing about this one is the fact that it has its own exclusive products. Not just regular PLR that you can find anywhere. These guys have their own unique exclusive ones. So you got your trending vault, you got your graphics, your audio, your animated video templates, videos, content and ebooks, and viral content. Now let's go and have a look at content and ebooks for 1 second. And we can have a quick look at the various things that they have, which are unique to them. No one else has this stuff. These guys have their own unique things that you can choose from. And as you can see, it's got all AI images and so forth, which is telling me these are fairly new. And you can go through and have a quick look at everything they've got there, and you can just choose which ones you want. The best part about these sort of things, all of these sites, is you can see the popular niches that people are purchasing. These are niches that have been highly researched and niches that people are willing to buy from. So that's one of the other things you might like about this. Now, as I said, these all have free aspects to them, and I will leave the links for all of these down below. And over here you got your other products, and you can go for your WordPress plugins, you got all that sort of stuff. But as I said, the unique one about this is the fact that it has its own unique products. That's what makes this one unique. All right, let's go and have a look at the last one. Okay, now the last one is perhaps the oldest one, and maybe even one of the best well-known ones. It's got over 12,000 private label right products. This is what makes this one unique, is the sheer quantity of products these guys have. It's probably one of the largest in the world, and it's constantly growing because they're constantly getting new PLR content put into their site. PLR, master resale rights, all of that sort of stuff is constantly getting put into here. So the sheer size of this is the uniqueness of this particular product. Now, you can search by category, or you can go by niche, or you can go by license. I personally like to go by license because I know that I want to go for private label rights, and yeah, I can search through there and see what I want to look at. But if you want to have, say for example, a particular niche you want to work with, you might go, okay, I want to work with business and making money. Go through, you go, or you might be involved in the health industry, you go weight loss and metabolism, or you might go marketing and promotions. But let's have a look at business and making money. Have a quick look at that, and it'll take you to the various ones that they have. Now this will have things like master resale rights in this particular case, and the good part about having this one is you've got what looks like this one might be the video course. Oh no, this one here is the video course as well. You got an upgrade, and you got a minor video course and an upgraded video course. You got Facebook marketing, and sometimes you'll come across other ones. Let's have a look at this one. This one looks like it's also another. Is that the same as the other one? No, it's a different one. So you can have a look through and choose which one you want. There are a lot of, this is why I choose the by license, because I prefer to know that I want to go for the license and I want to go for private label right ebooks. The reason I always choose private label right ebooks is because you can personally turn them into video courses. Like for example, Twitter for the Twinsons or whatever, Facebook marketing, all this sort of stuff. Anything here you can turn into a video course. You might find something here you want, use that, turn it into a video course. Not hard to do, because you've got all the information there, and you can just rip the information from the ebook once it has been edited, and then you can turn that into your own course, usually a PowerPoint course or one of those type of courses, and you can sell it anywhere online. All right, so these are the 5 private label right sites that I believe are the best on the market right now. Now, if any more have come up that I believe are exceptional, we'll have a look at those later on. But right now, as far as I'm concerned, these are the best. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also leave a comment down below and let me know which one of these PLR sites you might consider choosing. Also too, right while you're at it, let you know that right here is a video I think you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.